Hello IGCSE students. So, are you also struggling with writing answers for those setup of experiment questions in physics ATP paper? Don't worry, now we have got you covered. We are bringing a dedicated series on our YouTube channel about how to write answers for these 7-marker physics setup of experiment questions. In this series, we are going to talk about how to attempt these setup of experiment questions, how to write concise answers for these questions and target scoring full 7 marks in those. Whether you are preparing for your school exams or you are appearing for board examinations, this series is going to be your go-to guide to prepare for these setup of experiment questions. Don't miss out. Subscribe now to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you'll be able to get these videos as soon as they drop on our channel. See you soon on IGCSE with Optimus. Thank you.